Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of dog paw colors. Have you ever wondered why your furry friend's paw pads change shades over time? Well, in this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind those adorable pink paws that transform into something darker as your dog grows up. So if you're curious about what color a dog's paw pad should be and what factors contribute to discoloration, you're in the right place. Get ready for some mind-boggling paw facts. Before we dig into what each paw color means, let's first understand what paw pads are. The paw pads of dogs are the tough, leathery areas located near their toes. On each foot, dogs have 4 digital paw pads, as well as a larger metacarpal pad situated higher up the foot. These leathery sections are composed of layers of epidermis, similar to the skin found on human feet. Additionally, dogs possess a deeper layer of fatty tissue beneath the skin, which serves as insulation against both cold and hot surfaces. Paw pads play a vital role in a dog's life. They provide traction, allowing dogs to move with stability, safeguard their feet from extreme temperatures, and navigate rough terrain safely. Furthermore, the pads act as shock absorbers, protecting the hip and knee joints from impact. Interestingly, paw pads also serve as a barrier, preventing bacteria present on the floor from being absorbed into the bloodstream. In essence, maintaining healthy paw pads is crucial for the overall well-being of your beloved canine companion. Any injuries or alterations in the appearance of your dog's pads should never be disregarded and require attention and proper care. 1. Pale or white. Pale or white dog paw color can be a result of various factors. Some dogs naturally have pale or light colored paw pads, especially those with light or white fur. This is often more noticeable in breeds such as Maltese, Bichon Frise, or Samoyeds. In these cases, the pale paw color is considered normal and doesn't indicate any health concerns. However, it's essential to monitor your dog's paw color for any sudden changes or abnormalities. If you notice that your dog's paw pads have become unusually pale or white, it could be an indication of a decrease in blood flow to the paws, which can be associated with circulation problems or even anemia. Another potential reason for pale paw pads is a condition called vitiligo, which causes the loss of pigment in certain areas of the skin, including the paws. Vitiligo can affect dogs of any color or breed and is generally harmless, but it's always best to consult with a veterinarian to rule out any other potential health concerns. In some cases, pale or white paw pads can also be the result of injuries, infections, or allergies. If your dog experiences discomfort, swelling, or any signs of pain in their paws, it's crucial to seek veterinary attention promptly. 2. Pink. When it comes to newborn puppies, their paw pads start off with a delicate pink color. However, as these adorable little ones begin to explore the world around them and engage in plenty of walking and running, their paw pads undergo a fascinating transformation. Over the course of their first 6 months, you'll notice a gradual shift as their pink paw pads turn into a protective shade of black. This color change is a natural process that occurs as the puppy's paw pads develop tougher layers of skin to shield the underlying sensitive pink layers. It's akin to how calluses form on our hands when exposed to repeated friction and pressure. While this transformation is essential for protecting the puppy's paws, it's important to know that the process may not always be comfortable for them. It takes time and effort for their paw pads to develop resistance and adapt to different surfaces. The type of surfaces they walk and run on plays a significant role as well. Grass, for instance, is more forgiving on their paw pads compared to harsher materials like cement or gravel. It's worth mentioning that many dogs retain some pink areas on their paw pads even after the color change. These pink regions represent the most sensitive parts of their paw pads and are more susceptible to injury. It's crucial to be mindful of these vulnerable areas and take appropriate precautions to keep your furry friend's paws safe and healthy. 3. Red or inflamed. When a dog experiences pain in one of its feet, it may resort to chewing and licking the affected area in an attempt to alleviate the discomfort. As a result, the paw may appear red in color. Typically, if the redness is related to pain, you will observe only red paw. If you suspect your dog is in pain, it is important to examine its foot and identify the source of the problem. Check the paw pad and the spaces between the toes for any foreign objects or debris, as dogs can easily pick up thorns, burrs, rocks, slivers of glass, or pieces of metal while outdoors, which can cause painful injuries. If you find any foreign objects upon inspection, carefully use tweezers to remove them. Afterward, wash and disinfect your dog's paw to remove dirt and germs. It is crucial to closely monitor your dog's condition. If the area where the paw was injured appears swollen, feels hot to the touch, or starts to ooze pus, it may be an indication of a bacterial infection. In such cases, it is advisable to consult a veterinarian promptly. Additionally, if your dog has torn its paw pad or has a deep cut that won't heal on its own, stitches may be necessary. Food allergies can also contribute to red paws in dogs. Some dogs develop yeast infections, often associated with grain allergies, such as sensitivity to corn, wheat, or soy in their food. In such cases, addressing the underlying food or environmental allergy and seeking veterinary treatment for the yeast infection may be necessary. Your veterinarian can provide guidance on managing your dog's allergies and keeping them comfortable. Contact dermatitis is another cause of red paws in dogs. This condition occurs when a dog's paws come into contact with substances that they are sensitive to, leading to skin irritation. It can be challenging to identify the specific irritant, but you can consult your vet for potential treatment options and consider using natural products in your home and on your lawn to minimize paw exposure to irritants. Parasites like ticks, mites, and fleas can also cause redness in a dog's paws. These parasites can bite the paw pads, leading to itching and discomfort. It is important to seek veterinary assistance to diagnose and treat any parasites present. Your vet may prescribe monthly preventatives to keep your dog parasite-free. Boredom and anxiety can also contribute to red paws in dogs. When left alone for extended periods, dogs may resort to chewing their feet and nails out of boredom or as a coping mechanism for anxiety. Providing your dog with plenty of toys, puzzle toys, and chews, as well as ensuring they receive regular exercise, can help alleviate these behaviors. Bacterial and fungal infections can also cause redness in a dog's paws, often as a result of compulsive chewing and licking. If infections are present, your vet may prescribe antibiotics or antifungal medications to treat the underlying condition. It is crucial to prevent your dog from continuing to lick and chew at their paws to allow for proper healing. If you notice redness in your dog's paws, it is advisable to consult a veterinarian for a proper diagnosis. They can conduct physical examinations, perform tests, and determine the best course of treatment. Treatment options will vary depending on the underlying cause, ranging from washing the paws to administering medications or even surgical interventions if necessary. Prevention is key in maintaining your dog's paw health. While it is impossible to prevent all allergic reactions, injuries, or irritations, there are steps you can take to minimize the risks. This includes avoiding extreme temperature surfaces, incorporating natural supplements like CBD for pets to manage pain and inflammation, using natural cleaning products in your home, maintaining a clean and safe outdoor environment, checking and cleaning. Lastly, let's answer the burning question: how to keep my dog's paws healthy? Keeping your dog's paws healthy is essential for their overall well-being. Here are some tips to help maintain your dog's paw health. Regularly inspect and clean their paws. Trim their nails to an appropriate length. Moisturize paw pads to prevent dryness and cracking. Protect their paws from extreme temperatures and harmful chemicals. Provide regular exercise on safe surfaces. Maintain a hazard-free environment. Feed them a balanced diet. By following these tips, you can ensure your dog's paw health and overall well-being. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button so you can get notified whenever there's a new video ready for you and your furry friend to watch.